What's up, YouTube? I want to do a quick video on the 24 Bronco. So I've only had it for a handful of days and I'm already experiencing a little issue with it. So I'll let you, hopefully you can make it out in the video. So before anyone says it, no, it is not the window. I will even hold the window and you can hear that it's coming all the way from the bottom, and it actually sounds like something is banging from the front to the back, to the front to the back on the inside of the door panel. So here, I'll show you. We'll hold the window. It sounds like it's playing ping pong in there. So we're gonna take this door panel off. So I'm just gonna do a quick video on it and we're gonna see if we can figure out what is going on in here rather than having to go to the dealership. So let's do a quick tutorial. You pretty much are going to get a little pick and you're going to take this cover plate off, which will reveal one bolt there. You're going to use your plastic pry tool, pop this off, which will reveal two bolts here. And then underneath, you're going to have 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna lift up on this door panel and we're gonna see if we can see what's inside. So let's get to it. All right, so we got the door panel lifted up. We removed this plastic shield, which is just on with a little bit of like a tape, the weather stripping, and you can see that it was dangling. So it was doing this, just like I said, on the inside of the door. So I was going to just zip tie it, but then I said, let me finish taking the panel off and see if I can figure something out. So if you actually look up there by the handle, it looks like it's missing something. Now, I don't know what this actually does. Maybe someone can drop comments below that knows a little bit more about this Bronco than me, because I'm a Mustang guy and I just got this thing. But I'm gonna try plugging it in. And, oh, I'm sure you guys heard that. It fits right in. So now that harness and pigtail is connected probably like it should be, and now there is not going to be another rattle. So anyone who knows what that is, if they could please let me know, I would appreciate it greatly. But hopefully this helps anyone that might have had the same weird issue or error from Ford on their new Bronco, and now you know what it is. So thanks for watching. All right, so the last test, we fixed her.